So AirPods third generation, they're officially here. You can head on over to an Apple store, and today for $179, you can buy a brand new pair of AirPods Pro third generation with MagSafe charging technology, and of course, a lot of new features and changes. Now, these third generation AirPods, in my opinion, are more comparable to AirPods Pro than they are to the second generation that they replace. But without further ado, of course, in this video, I wanted to share with you guys my unboxing experience, and of course, everything that's new with AirPods third generation. As always, if you would like to stay up to date with everything Apple news and AirPods updates, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss another episode. Now, aside from the AirPods, yes, Apple has also launched the cleaning polish cloth, and I know a lot of you guys were asking about this one. This is a product that you can buy for 19 bucks to clean your displays for your iPad, your iPhone, your Mac. And if you would have told me 5-6 years ago when I started doing YouTube that I would be unboxing a cleaning cloth, then I would laugh. But here it is, just for sakes. Let's get over this unboxing here quickly for the Apple polishing cloth, and it's super simple. Of course, at the box you have the Apple logo, polishing cloth, the cloth on the side. Now, in my opinion, I thought this cloth was going to be white according to Apple's marketing images, but no, it's sort of a grayish color, I believe. So here we go, unboxing for the first time the Apple cleaning cloth. And yeah, this is so funny that I'm unboxing this product, but yeah, it is a true Apple product. And here it is on both sides. It appears to be the exact same color. On the bottom right there, you see that the Apple logo is present. It is soft, obviously, and it is to clean your iPhone, so there's nothing much to it. Now, I want to set it next to an iPhone 12 Pro Max, just for example here. It is about the same height as an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and in terms of width, the same. So just think about that. This is just to clean your iPhones or iPads or Mac for 19 bucks. I would say just head on over to Walmart, and for like 8 bucks, you can get like 5. But the star of the show, of course, AirPods third generation. Now, as I mentioned, these third generation AirPods, in my opinion, compare more to the AirPods Pro than they do to the AirPods second generation that they replaced, because of the design, the price, the features, and how the casing looks very similar as well. So without further ado, let's get inside of the packaging here. You have these two strips here, very similar to the iPhone unboxing. And once we get into the actual box, inside we should get, of course, the new instructional guides. I don't know why Apple continues to ship these paper instructional guides. Nobody really reads these. But yeah, we have those in there. We're going to go ahead and remove that out of the way. And here is the star of the show, AirPods third generation, replacing the AirPods second generation. Now, they're sold out online, but Apple stores do have stock. When I went to pick these up earlier this morning, there were some more available. So if you want to get those, now would be the time. Now, quickly before we get to the AirPods themselves, I want to go into the box here, because inside of the box, we also get a cable. Now, this is going to be the charging cable. Obviously, it's going to be USB-C to Lightning to charge your AirPods. We're going to set that aside, and here they are. So honestly, I thought this case would be the exact same size as the AirPods Pro case, but no, it's slightly smaller. And as you can see right there, it looks very, very similar in design. That's why I say they compare more to the AirPods Pro than they do to the AirPods second generation. So let's get inside the actual case and take a first look at the AirPods third generation. And there they are. These look very, very similar to the AirPods Pro that we have here, without, of course, the noise cancellation tips right here, right? So there's a few features that are available for AirPods Pro that are not available in AirPods third generation, obviously. We are not going to get the transparency mode. We're not going to get the noise cancellation. What we are going to get is a new design here. Better internals, of course, new speakers. We also get a shorter stem from the AirPods second generation to the third generations. Again, design really, really similar to AirPods Pro, as you can see right there, minus the noise cancellation in-ear tips. And I think customers will prefer this over Pros. If you're not into the transparency mode or noise cancellation features, this is a great buy. So in terms of features, as I mentioned, noise cancellation will not be available on the AirPods third generation. Transparency mode will not be available. However, what you do get is spatial audio, some more battery life. Of course, there's an additional hour of battery life inside of these, and the new design, obviously, that you see right here. I think it's going to be more comfortable. You no longer have the controls where you tap on the AirPods themselves, but rather you now have these pressure-sensitive controls. Again, very similar to AirPods Pro. In order to play and pause, you have to press them twice to go forward, press them once to pause, 3 times to go backwards. You already know the deal. And of course, we're going to go ahead and pair these onto the iPhone here. So as simple, as easy as ever to pair AirPods to your iPhone. Now keep in mind, Apple also released a new software update yesterday for these AirPods. So these AirPods already have a new software update available. So there you go. You get the instructional and you also get the Hey Siri command stuff that you can prompt here. And there you go. They're all set up and ready to go. So there you guys have it. Just a quick unboxing of Apple's brand new AirPods 3rd generation, now available aside the Apple cleaning cloth today, October the 26th. And there you guys have it. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.